Hello friends, welcome back to Code India. In this tutorial we are going to learn about sets. Set is a collection type where we store data. Set is basically a collection of unique data. That means the element of the set cannot be duplicate. Now the question arises, why to use set instead of an array? There are four basic differences between a set and an array. The first one is that set do not store objects in order they are added to them. They are stored in a way to make them fast to find, which means finding item in a set is extremely efficient. Set store item precisely once. That means there is unique data, no data is duplicate. All item you want to store in a set must conform to a hashable. Therefore, if we intend to add each item only once, then we can use set. If we don't care about the order of the item, we can use set. If we are storing hashable types, like Swift built-in a hashable type are string and integers, then set is a good choice. So let's move to our xcode and create a set. We will add item to the set, delete item from a set, and we will iterate through the set. Thereafter, we will learn different operations that can be performed in the set, which make set very useful. Let's open our xcode and create a student ID set. We will typecast the student ID with a set keyword, and we will create a set just like an array with using a square bracket. I have added 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 to the student ID, and you can see right now I am not using any duplicate value. If I print this student ID, my student ID will be printed, but the item of the student ID will not be in the order it has been added. See, this is 124 instead of 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if I add 5 twice, it will print only the item once instead of twice. 5 is added only once in the set. So unique item is created in a set. No item is repeated. Now let's insert some item to the set. We use a insert command, student ID dot insert, and I will insert 6 to it. If I print the student ID, the item will be printed with 6. See, xcode is not allowing me to insert item because I am using let keyword. To insert or remove item, it has to be a variable type. So I have to use var keyword here. Now this is added. If I print the student ID, if I add this student ID dot insert 6 in next line and print the student ID again, then you can see the result. See, 6 is added. Now let me remove item from the set. I can remove item either using the remove at index or remove a member. When I use a index, I can use a student dot start index. This will remove the starting index from the set. Most of the time we use remove a member to remove item from a set. Let us use student id dot remove 2. This will remove 2 from the set. See 2. If I print this, 2 will be removed. Now let us see how we can iterate through a set. Just like an array, we can iterate through a set using the for loop. For that we will write for id in student id, and I can print id inside the for loop. You can see when I run this app, the ID has been printed. There are 4 items, so this loop has been iterated 4 times. Now let us learn what are the various operations in the set that makes a set very useful. First one is union. If I want to add to set, like I have two set 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. If I want to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then I can use union. If I write set 1 dot union set 2, then it will add to set. Now let us see what the intersection will do. Intersection will take out the similar set item and they will make a separate set with that. See, 3 is the similar item, so 3 has been printed. Another set operation is subtraction. I will use set 1 dot subtracting set 2. What it will do? It will remove the similar item from the set and print the remaining one. See, 2 and 1 has been printed. Similar one is 3. So 3 has been removed from set 1. Next one is symmetric difference. What it will do? It will check what are the element common in both the set and remove the common element and print the uncommon element joining both the set. See, 3 is common, so 3 has been removed and 2, 5, 6, 1 has been printed. Symmetric difference. Now let us use a is empty. Now let us use a subset function. For that we need a bigger set with all the item which is present in the second set. A bigger set has all the item, a set 1 has all the item of set 2. So set 2 is a subset of set 1. So if I check set 2 dot is subset set 1, it will return me true. Now let us use is empty. How we can create an empty set? We can create an empty set by initializing a set with a empty item. Empty set is equal to set, and we will typecast this with int since it is going to contain only an integer. If I print this empty set dot is empty, then it will return me true, and if I add any element to this set, it will return me false. Now let us see when two sets are equal. Two sets are equal when the item in the set are equal. The order of this item doesn't matter. So if I create a set with 1, 2 and 3 and another set with 3, 2 and 1, then they will be equal, and I can check these two set to be equal using the is equal to sign.